Hop along, froggies, a-counting rhymes from Funtale
Five
Kids.
little frogs sitting on a log, jumping in the pond with a hop and a jog. Ribbit, ribbit, they laugh and play. Learn with Funtale Kids today. Four little frogs splashing in the rain. One jumped high, up came a rainbow again. Ribbit, ribbit, they sing hooray. Learn with Funtale Kids today. Three little frogs dancing in a line. One twirled around, looking so fine. Happy frogs hop all the way. Learn with Funtale Kids today. Two little frogs by the river bright. One saw a firefly glowing in the night. Ribbit, ribbit, they chase and sway. Learn with Funtale Kids today. One little frog sitting all alone called his friends on a lily pad phone. All five frogs returned to play. Learn with Funtale Kids today.